I'm Caleb McGrath. Welcome to the Daily Caleb, episode 2, and you are what? And this is a Spongebob toy review. This time we're gonna be talking about the SpongeBob movie Sponge Out of Water food fight set. Here's what it comes with: SpongeBob, Patrick. Sorry, let me just move the camera over a bit. There. It comes with 2 ketchups. They look like this. 2 mustards. And I don't remember if I said it. It's Food Fight SpongeBob and Food Fight Patrick on the SpongeBob movie Sponge Out of Water. Oopsie. And there are 3 potatoes. See them? As well as SpongeBob's squirter is a ketchup squirter, and Patrick's cannon is a wheelbarrow. So you put this in SpongeBob's hand, and sometimes he doesn't bounce good, so you can use this as a 3rd leg. Kind of like when Mr. Krabs said this with it. SpongeBob, since when have you had 3 legs? Well, I'll try with the other hand. I don't even. You need to have this facing whichever way he's facing. I might have to stop the video to do this to get the same. And these these can move. And you put Patrick's hands inside his cannon. This might take a while, so feel free to. I'll leave an annotation saying where you can fast forward to when I'm done. I just got it in. And we have Patrick. Now you can see his face. Look, here's those tears of sweat coming out of him. It's hard to see. You'll see it if he ever gets this toy. You just put Patrick's potatoes in this little thing. See? And they're on sticks, so they can go in here. And then you can. I'm gonna. And put SpongeBob's first in. And let's see if we can squirt it at the I didn't even mean to do that. Hold on, let me just switch the camera because like I want to get it like it's going at the camera. Let me just get the camera straight. Ooh, we have the camera. Let's try with the mustard. Kids at home, you can get mustard in your eye. Well, on your screen. Another mustard. Kids at home, you're gonna get more mustard on your screen. Why does it keep going accidental? So I'm just doing that to purposely get it.
No, I'm serious.
Okay. I've done mine.
Huh?
I've done it.
Oh, sorry.
And then we can put Patrick's in. Can we get the... Finally, we didn't get the camera. It's not like, you know. And like, just so you know, I'm gonna get some different views. These aren't the same shots. I'm doing new. They aren't the same shots from different views. They're different shots. Can you see this button right here? It's hard to see because it's on. No. Cause I'm showing you where to press. You just press this button. And there. Now you just get these. I really like this toy. I didn't have turntables, so I got this going all around. I recommend you should get it. So yeah. See you tomorrow on the Daily Caleb.